how can you show touches when screen recording on the iPad, right? So it works using a built-in solution, but it has, it is a bit more complicated. So let me show it to you right away. So on the iPad, you can perform a basic like screen recording and whatnot, but in order to capture the touches, you need to use an accessory. Like in my case, I have the Magic Keyboard with a trackpad, and since I have this connected, I have a little pointer device which shows up and you can see where exactly I'm going, which options I'm clicking, and it just shows it very nicely. So even if you do not have the Magic Keyboard with a trackpad, you can connect some different devices. For example, the trackpad, which is like, the Apple trackpad, like a separate one for Mac computers. This one can also be connected through a cable, and it will as well show all of the touches. Another thing goes for a mouse. It doesn't even have to be Magic Mouse, like some random third-party Bluetooth mouse. It's gonna work fine, right? You can just connect it through the settings. I use this like very cheap one if I need to show the touches without, the Magic Keyboard. So it just works well, right? You just need to make sure that it's all set up and connected properly, and like all of the accessibility features are turned on. Like whenever I'm using a mouse to connect with my Apple devices, I need to ensure that the assistive touch is turned on in the accessibility, because without it, for whatever reason, it doesn't work. But it is what it is. And yeah, the whole point is that using these devices, like pointer devices, you can show very nicely what you are touching and what you're clicking on the screen while performing a screen recording. So it is how it currently works. We don't really have any way to do this when using just your finger to touch the screen, but this is, in my opinion, a good enough alternative. So let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for the next explanations and guides like this one, and I'll see you in the next videos.